Sometimes you just need a reset, maybe for your mind, your body, or maybe for your routine. I really love this Runabout Mood Seed treatment because it helps with my redness. So if I've been doing masks or my skin's a little bit irritated, this is my go-to to kind of help reset my skin. Maybe you've been doing lash extensions, or maybe your lashes just need a little bit of TLC, but the Grande Lash Enhancing Serum is my go-to when I want to reset my lashes and get them in a healthy and happy place. Nothing is better for a reset than the Nest Wellness Candle. It's lime zest and matcha, and it's like a sensory pick-me-up that just like resets how I feel, and it gives me a little bit of energy. Talk about the perfect skin reset. This is the Summer Fridays Midnight Ritual Retinol, and it's so good. It goes on nice and smooth, not too heavy, and the retinol is gonna really help to reset your canvas. Nothing like a scent for a good reset. Not only is it a sensory experience, but also it can completely transform your look. I could be feeling real fun and flirty wearing like a floral jumpsuit, and then all of a sudden, I'm mysterious and I'm approachable. The reset is not just about your skin or your hair, it's about all of it.